Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I'm super glad to see you today. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having the day of your choice. And today I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell down below, please. And today we are getting into a mystery box from Juno Cosmetics. And it has a big J on it. That's how I knew it was from Juno, or because it says Juno & Co. right there. I can't wait to see where to open this box. I haven't even tried to figure that out. I don't see any tape. Oh, there's a pull tab. Oh, that's nice for a change instead of having to mess with the tape. Seems very fancy and professional to have a pull tab. And this is what it says here on the inside. And it's got the invoice, and this was a $29.99 mystery box with $5.99 shipping. And there was two choices. You could choose the makeup box or the skincare box, and you're guaranteed to get the Juno & Co. Miracle Cream in here, and it is a $29 value or $28.99 value. So you got the value of the box immediately with this cream, which is a great cream. I use it today I used it as my primer. I've already got one and I really love it. And then this is what we have left in the box. So after this, everything's gravy as far as I'm concerned. First up, oh, this is a beautiful box. And it says Margarita. Juno & Co. Cheek Defining Kit Margarita. Let's see if it's up my alley. It's really well packaged. And look how beautiful that is. Oop, there's a little plastic shield. Oh my goodness. This is really, really different than I expected. That is a purple highlighter. And then there's another highlighter. And then I guess this is like a little peachy blush and a bronzer. I'm going to keep it because I don't have anything like this. I gotta touch it. Look at that. That's beautiful. It doesn't swatch really well, but you can see on my finger it's got a beautiful purple glow. And then this has got like a pinky purple glow. Oh, you can see that one a lot better. And then the bronzer is a nice color bronzer for someone as fair as I am. And this is a nice shimmery peachy. It's right there. It's very pale, but I will give it a try. I'll put it with my other items that I have. Let me get a moist face cleanser, and I always use the No. 7 face wipes. I get them at Target and Ulta, and I get really good deals on them at Target all the time. Like buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one 50% off. And then there's always like, spend so much money and get so much money in Target bucks and stuff. So it's pretty cool. Oh, this is great. It's in a cute little Juno bag. It's got a little place to put your fingers. It's a brush cleaning device, which is always needed. And I really need to wash my brushes very badly. Then we have a brush, and this is the Oval Detail Blender brush. And it is a very nice brush. And we have one thing left. And this says Juno Starlet Eyeshadow Collection in Siren. It's very beautiful packaging. And it is sealed for our protection. Ooh, aren't we? We're so glad it's sealed. Let's let's see. Get into this without cutting my hand off. And I did get this box pretty quickly. And with all the shenanigans going on with shipping anymore, you just never know if you're going to get something in a week or a month. This is very, very pretty. Oh, it's a very nice neutral palette. I will not be keeping this for myself, but I will be putting it in a giveaway. But it's beautiful. I'm not going to swatch it. But it's very beautiful and it's well packaged. So for $29.99, we got an eyeshadow palette. We got a beautiful face brush. We got a cleaner. And we get this interesting cheek palette. I can't wait to like put it on as a highlighter. For sure. And then we got the Miracle Cream, which is a great deal. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things for $29.99, and this paid for the box, and everything else, as far as I'm concerned, is a bonus, because I would have just bought this, you know, anyway. So great job, Juno. Very nice box. I'm not disappointed with it at all. So I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.